Alright, so today we're doing a really beautiful pork dish. It's grilled pork chops with balsamic blueberries and some baby spinach. It's pretty simple, but it's bloody tasty. Ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so this dish is pretty simple. We've got 2 organic pork chops here. We've got some cottage cheese. We've got some fresh blueberries. We've got some organic baby spinach. And we've got some balsamic glaze. Alright, so I got my pan heating up on medium heat. I'm going to spray it with some avocado oil. We're going to throw in our pork chops. We can season with some cracked pepper and sea salt. Then we'll flip them over. Season the other side with some cracked pepper and some sea salt. So we're going to keep flipping these for about 2 minutes until they're nice and seared on both sides. So keep flipping them. About 2 and 2.5 minutes, these will be nice and cooked. We'll take them off, we'll rest them. So these have been cooking for about 1.5 minutes, so we'll give it 1 more minute. We'll throw in some butter, some garlic, and then we'll rest them. Get on to our blueberries. Alright, so these have been cooking for about 2.5 minutes now. Just give them 1 more flip. We just want to throw in 1 tablespoon of butter. Want to throw in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. We just want to stir the butter in. Get that garlic starting to cook off. Give a good mix around. And all we want to do is we want to top this with some cottage cheese. And we're going to take these off, we're going to rest them, and we'll get on to cooking our blueberries. Alright, so for our blueberries, I've just got a small pan here. Now, no butter, no oil, no nothing. We just want to throw our blueberries in, because once it starts heating up, they'll start doing their thing, start releasing their juices. Alright, so I just got it on high to start with, but once you hear those blueberries starting to sizzle like that, we'll just turn it down to medium heat. Now it won't take long, these blueberries will start to soften, the juice will start coming out. Alright, so just keep cooking these blueberries at medium heat for about 1 minute. Just till they start to soften, you start to see the juice starting to come out. Right, so these have been cooking on medium for about 1 minute. As you can see, the juice is starting to come out of them. So all we want to do now is we just want to squeeze in some balsamic reduction. Just like that. And turn the heat off. Just going to let that balsamic infuse for about 1 minute, and then we'll get on to plating our pork chop. Alright, so to plate up, we'll just get our organic baby spinach here. Just going to put a nice handful in the middle. Now you don't need to cook this because the heat from the pork is going to start cooking it as soon as it goes on. So get a nice pile in the middle there. And all we want to do is want to get some avocado oil, or some olive oil will do. Spray it. A little bit of cracked pepper. A little bit of sea salt. We just want to get one of our beautiful pork chops that we've had resting there. Put it right on top. We just want to get our blueberries. Put some of them on top. Now this is going to serve 2 serves. And there we are, guys. Alright guys, there's my easy pork chops with balsamic blueberries, some cottage cheese and some organic baby spinach. How simple was that? How quick was that? Remember, don't cook the same stuff all the time. Switch it up, cook a little bit different. Come cook with me, come cook fun. Let's make Australia cook again. Remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe down the bottom. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Give this one a go. I'm going to dig into it now. Thank you.